Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing one of the most common eye conditions among older adults, cataracts. While surgery is often the most effective treatment for advanced cases, there are also several natural remedies that may help prevent or slow the progression of cataracts. So, if you're interested in learning more about these remedies, be sure to stick around till the end of this video. Cataracts are a common condition among older adults, characterized by the clouding of the natural lens in the eye. This cloudiness can cause a range of visual symptoms, including blurred vision, sensitivity to light, and difficulty distinguishing colors. While surgery is often recommended for advanced cases of cataracts, there are also several natural remedies that may help slow the progression of the condition, or even prevent it from developing in the first place. In this video, we'll explore some of the top natural remedies for cataracts and how they work. Antioxidants. One of the primary causes of cataracts is oxidative stress, which occurs when free radicals in the body damage cells and tissues. Antioxidants are compounds that can neutralize free radicals and protect against oxidative damage. Several studies have suggested that increasing intake of antioxidant-rich foods or supplements may help prevent or slow the progression of cataracts. Foods high in antioxidants include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Some of the most potent antioxidants include vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and selenium. Good food sources of these nutrients include citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, sweet potatoes, nuts, and seafood. Supplements may also be helpful, especially for those who have trouble getting enough of these nutrients through their diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two types of carotenoids that are concentrated in the eye's retina and lens. These compounds have been shown to protect against oxidative damage and may also help filter harmful blue light. Some studies have suggested that increasing intake of lutein and zeaxanthin may help reduce the risk of cataracts and improve visual function in people with existing cataracts. Good food sources of lutein and zeaxanthin include leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as other vegetables like broccoli, peas, and Brussels sprouts. Supplements are also available, but it's important to talk to a doctor or dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen. Bilberry. Bilberry is a type of berry that is closely related to the blueberry. Like blueberries, bilberries are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Some studies have suggested that bilberry may be particularly helpful for protecting against cataracts and improving vision in people with existing cataracts. The exact mechanisms by which bilberry works are not fully understood, but it may help by reducing oxidative stress, improving blood flow to the eye, and reducing inflammation. Bilberry supplements are available, but it's important to choose a reputable brand and talk to a doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a tree native to China that has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. The leaves of the ginkgo tree contain compounds called flavonoids and terpenoids, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies have suggested that ginkgo biloba may be helpful for protecting against cataracts and improving visual function in people with existing cataracts. Ginkgo biloba supplements are widely available, but it's important to choose a reputable brand and talk to a doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Ginkgo biloba may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and antidepressants, so it's important to discuss any potential interactions with a healthcare provider. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies have suggested that curcumin may be helpful for protecting against cataracts and improving visual function. Turmeric can be added to food in the form of a spice or taken as a supplement. However, it's important to note that curcumin is not very well absorbed by the body on its own, so it's often formulated with other compounds to enhance its absorption. That's all for today's video on the top natural remedies for cataracts. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.